Hello and welcome to Kanban for Kids 2.0. I'm your host, Matthew Flansburg, and today I'm going to demonstrate how modern project management techniques can be translated into useful tools inside your household. Kanban for Kids is a simple methodology of organizing jobs or work to be done in a consistent manner, delivering value iteratively over time, resembling a CI/CD approach towards improvement and maintenance. Special shout out to Brett Trucka at Devotry, who got a kick out of this concept when I described it to him and was the primary inspiration for the 2.0 upgrade. Now, what is the 2.0 upgrade? The 2.0 upgrade is a graphical user interface, color-coded for each kid, and also having tasks or stretch goals which can be easily defined and understood. We have implemented this system in our household for the simple purpose of getting a little bit of work done every day, avoiding what many people would experience as a waterfall scenario or a cascade of work to be done at the end of the week. Now, if your children are constantly providing work and tasks to be done in a consistent and predictable fashion, not only are they learning responsibility, they are also accomplishing the goals of the household, which should be maintained, much like software should be maintained with technical debt and with bug fixes. Now, this board itself is again hyper simplified. You can add as many swim lanes as you want. However, the to-do doing done suffices for a small team such as this. Let's meet our team. So we've got Blake Balake, age 7 with age-appropriate tasks. We have Lily, age 9, also age-appropriate tasks. And Emma, our 13-year-old, has more stuff to do because she has more responsibility. Now, each of these tasks is easily understood, easily defined, and the corresponding number roughly corresponds to time. Now, in software development, we'd like to use complexity. That's loosely applied here because these are more of time-oriented tasks. Now, Blake has the responsibility of sweeping the house, cleaning the cat litter, helping Dad with the dishes on Tuesday, and helping the dad dishes on Thursday, cleaning up the backyard for dog waste and trash. And on Tuesday, she assists her sister. I'll get to that in a second. Lily, very similar tasks. She assists her sister on Thursdays with the upper bathroom, and Emma is in charge of setting the table, setting the plates, cat litter, both bathrooms, backyard, and sweeping the floor on Friday. The cool thing about this system is we have stretch goals, and these are great. So if they assist their mom in doing the laundry and folding clothes, they get a point. If they walk the dog, or dogs in our case, they get 3 points. And if they vacuum upstairs, 2 points downstairs. And the big one, the big 9-pointer, which is easily divisible by 3 for the kids who participate, they give Bowden and Tibby, our dogs, a dog spa. Our sprint cycle in this case is 1 week, Monday through Friday. Primary goal is to get all of the major household things taken care of so that I can take my family camping or on vacation or in general just enjoy the weekend. So how the system works is every Monday when the kids get home to school, they will see that they have certain tasks that need to be done. In this case, Emma has to set the table before dinner, clean the cat litter. Lily helps Dad with the dishes. She cleans the backyard on Monday. And Blake sweeps the floor. Now, when these tasks are completed, it's simple. They just move to the done category, and they can, as they accomplish these things, then they're done with their work for the day, and you can release restrictions on electronics or anything else, entertainment forms, and this is how it works. And as you notice, we're looking at about 15 minutes here, maybe about 30 to 45 minutes of help here, and Emma's got it easy on Mondays. She's got about 15-20 minutes work herself. In Tuesday's work, we have a really good team building exercise that could be analogous to paired programming. Notice Emma has 2 points to clean the bottom stairs for 2 points, but Blake is here to also assist, and if she assists, she gets 1 point. And so this is a case where teamwork is necessary, and the teams themselves have to divide up the division of labor to accomplish the goal. Now, the interesting thing with this is if Blake is sick or can't participate, this task goes away. Emma would then receive Blake's point. So she did all the work in this case because Blake's sick, and then we would move these points over here to that category. Now, that's an example. Another cool example is one of the kids maybe wants to earn something or grow something. She at any time can pick up one of these and say, I'm going on a walk. Lily takes the dogs for a walk, and at any time she can move that to her done category, earning 3 points. Now, this is what you want to see on a Friday after school. You want to see that the week has been satisfied, all the kids have completed all their tasks. They've also identified some things that they want to do to go above and beyond in these examples. But here on a Friday, here's how it also could work. So let's just say the team wants to go out to pizza to celebrate something. So we would take that out. We're not going to eat at home. And then Lily, likewise, would not need to help with dishes. However, before we go out to dinner, Emma's going to sweep the floor. Lily's going to clean the cat litter, and Blake's going to go in the backyard and clean that up. Once those things are accomplished, we can close out this sprint. Boom, boom, boom. And then individually, we can tally up their points. Boom, 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 boom. And then use that tally of points to convert to whatever system you'd like. Points can equal money. Points could equal physical items, or points can equal experiences. But once the week's complete, we will reset this system and do it all over again. All right, now this configuration represents a reset in the beginning of next week on Monday. Now, if you found this video to be interesting, I certainly appreciate it. I loved creating this for you. Also, if you'd like to emulate it, all you need is a dry erase board, dry erase marker, an eraser, straight edge, some writing utensils, an outliner. I use these magnets from, I think it was Hobby Lobby, little tiny thin magnets that have adhesive on them. Something to draw circles or patterns with, scissors, fixative, and of course a marker set. I'll have all of these items listed in the post, but I appreciate your time, and I hope you enjoyed and inspired by Kanban for Kids 2.0. Have a great day.